Welcome to the course Foundations of Data Science. Today we'll discuss about data warehouse. See, data warehousing is an architectural construct of information system that provides users with current and historical distance support information that is hard to access or present in traditional operational data stores. So, how is a data warehouse different from a database? How they are similar? See, we can see the difference between a data warehouse and a database. A data warehouse is a repository of information collected from multiple sources over a history of time, stored under a unified schema and used for data analysis and decision support, whereas a database is a collection of interrelated data that represents the current status of the stored data. There could be multiple heterogeneous databases, but the schema of one database may not agree with the schema of another. A database system supports ad hoc query and online transaction processing. Similarities between a data warehouse and a database. Both are repositories of information storing huge amounts of persistent data. So this is a difference between data warehouse and database. The next, what is the need for data warehousing? See, in business perspective, in order to survive and succeed in today's highly competitive global environment, we need data warehousing. Decisions need to be made quickly and correctly. Then the third need, the amount of data doubles every 18 months, which affects response time and the sheer ability to comprehend its content. Then next, rapid changes. In the business problem definition, so providing the organizations with a sustainable competitive advantage. First, the customer retention. Second, sales and customer service, marketing and risk assessment and fraud reduction. The next, data warehouse architecture. 7 data warehouse components are used in data warehouse architectures: data sourcing, cleanup, transformation and migration tools. Actually, this is the architecture. Data warehouse architecture. So there are 7 components are here. First one is the data sourcing, cleanup, transformation and migration tools. Second, metadata repository. Third, warehouse or database technology. Fourth is the data marts. Fifth component, data query, reporting, analysis and mining tools. Sixth, data warehouse administration and management. The last one is the information delivery system. See, data warehousing components. Operational data and processing is completely separate form of data warehouse processing. Data warehouse database, it's an important concept. See, in the diagram it is marked as 2, the warehouse environment. In addition to transaction operation such as ad hoc query processing and the need for flexible user view creation including aggregation, multiple joins and drill down operation, we are using data warehouse. Parallel relational database designs that require a parallel computing platform. So using new index structures to speed up a traditional RDBMS, we need data warehouse database. Then multidimensional database that are based on proprietary database technology or implemented using already familiar RDBMS, that is relational DBMS. So some tools we are using for choosing, acquisition, cleaning and transformation. To perform all of the conversions, summarizations, key changes, structural changes and condensations needed to transform disparate data into information. Removing unwanted data from operational database, then converting to common data names and definitions, calculating summarizes and derived data, establishing default for missing data, accommodating sources data definition changes. So database heterogeneity. DBMS are very different in data model, data access language, data navigation, operation, concurrency, integrity, recovery, etc. Data heterogeneity. So this is the difference in the way data is defined and used in different models, different attributes for the same entity. Okay, thank you.